like husband mysteriously dies and I get his estate. It was rough, but I did it. Okay, I'm laying on the couch because I'm tired. Sad news, I don't have enough fur. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Sewmas, where I'm doing 12 days of holiday DIYs and sewing projects. Today is day 3 of Sewmas and I am making this robe. It's like the bougie, my rich husband just mysteriously died robe, and it was really famous on the internet a few years ago, so I will enter a photo here. So that is what we're making today because I think that this would be the perfect holiday gift for one of your friends, specifically because you don't necessarily need their exact measurements to make this. You can kind of just estimate and make it a little bit bigger because robes are really nice when they are bigger. So yeah, I really like this. I thought it was cute. It was pretty easy to do. So yeah, let's get into it. And before we do, don't forget to follow me on my social medias where I will be posting more Sewmas content there. Now let's get into it. Okay, so for this Sewmas video, I'm making one of those like bougie robes. I'll insert a photo like here or something. I don't remember when, it was like a few years ago or something, but like they were really popular and everyone was like, I'm gonna buy one of these and wear this when my like husband mysteriously dies and I get his estate. And so I want to make one of those bougie robes and I think it would be a really great gift, so let's do it. Okay, so for the robe part, I'm going to trace, I have this fitted dress. I'm going to trace the dress onto newspaper and then I'm going to extend it more so it can be like flowy, and then afterwards I will cut out the fabric. Okay, so for cutting out the pieces, it's going to be pretty close, so I don't know how much of it I'm going to film. So I'm going to try to get the back piece there, at least one front piece there, another front piece here, and then see if I can squeeze in 2 sleeves. So yeah, I'm going to get ready and do it and keep y'all updated. Update, I was able to cut out all of the pieces. It was rough, but I did it. Also, not that it matters, but I got this for 99 cents as a remnant, so like, that's why I didn't know if I was gonna have enough. Okay, so I attached all of the rope pieces. Also, I serged the end so it would give a neater look since it is sheer. If you don't have a serger, I would recommend doing French seams. One day I will learn how to do French seams and I will either put it in a video or make a TikTok, but there is a lot of other people who have already done it if that's something you want to do, or you can just go over the edge with a zigzag stitch and just cut off the extra. So now I'm going to measure out the ribbon to go around the waist, and then also I want there to be ties on the arms. So I'm going to see if I have enough and then measure those out. And then if I have enough ribbon after that, I'm going to use whatever's left to do the... Blaze is getting into one of my plants. To do the finish around the part that won't have the fur. Okay, so for sewing on the ribbon, I'm gonna sew 2 parallel lines so that it stays on. Blaze is trying to eat one of the needles. Okay, I'm laying on the top couch because I'm tired, but I just sewed the ribbon. So now I'm gonna sew the fur, and I'm probably gonna sew it how I did the ribbon. So, because for the thing that I did around the edge, I just placed it on the edge and then did 2 stitches like I did the waist. I don't know if I already explained this or not, so I'll see in a second. But for the fur, I'm just gonna put it along the bottom and then along the arms, and then probably do 2 stitches. I'm gonna try to do it on my machine, and I'm gonna try to use the metal machine most likely because that is very durable. So yeah. Sad news, I don't have enough fur, and I literally told myself at the store to buy 2 spools, but I was like, no, don't get more stuff than you need. So we will resume tomorrow. But I tried it on and it looks really good, so I cannot wait for y'all to see it. Okay, so I went to Joann's and I got the fur, so now I'm gonna finish up the robe by putting the fur on the sleeves, and if I have enough, which I should, up until the ties. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and follow me on my social medias where I will be posting more Sewmas content, and don't forget to come back for the next days of Sewmas. Bye guys.